Want pancakes that are high in protein, fluffy, and actually keep you full? These cottage cheese oat pancakes are a breakfast game changer. Hi, I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper and CakeMixRecipes.com. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Today, I'm showing you how to make cottage cheese oat pancakes. They're light, flavorful, and come together in minutes right in the blender. To make it easier for you, I included a link to the full printable recipe in the video description below, so make sure you grab it. Okay, so we are using a blender to mix up our pancake batter today. So in my blender, I have one of those blender cups, but you could do this right in a regular blender or even a food processor if you don't have a blender. So to the blender cup, I'm going to add some quick oats, not the regular oats, but the quick ones, right in. I'm going to add some cottage cheese. You can do low fat, high fat, no fat, whatever fat you would like. And a couple of eggs. And now we're going to start adding some flavor. So I'm going to add just a bit of vanilla, maybe about a half a teaspoon or so. And a little bit of cinnamon, again, about a half a teaspoon or so. Now I have some milk on standby just in case this needs it. Every once in a while, the liquid in the cottage cheese and stuff just isn't enough and it needs a little help, so I just have some milk on standby, or water, whichever you prefer. We'll get that lid on. Bring our blender in here. Let's see if we can make this work. All right, here we go. All right, I'm just going to check the consistency of it. I think we're good. I'm gonna scrape down the sides and I'm gonna give it one more whiz around the blender just to make sure I have everything from the sides all blended up. All right, perfect. Let's get this out of here and we will move on to making our pancakes. All right, our batter is made. Let's cook these up. So I'm gonna put some butter in my skillet. We wanna get that melted. All right, this is looking good. It's nice and foamy. So I'm gonna put about a quarter cup or so in the pan. These look perfect. Now, when I was making this batter, I forgot to mention, we need to put some baking powder in there to give them a little bit of lift. So I did add some baking powder. Grab that printable recipe and you can get the measurement for what I added. Now, you may have noticed I made a giant pancake. Don't be like me. Don't make them too big. But this looks beautiful. It's got a nice crispy edge. Okay, so I think our pancake is done. I'm going to transfer it to my plate and just continue with the rest of the batter. It should make, anyway, depending on the size, anywhere from 2 this size to 5 normal sized ones. These cottage cheese oat pancakes are made with simple ingredients, no flour, no refined sugar, just wholesome goodness that tastes like a treat. Now, you can swap in some banana for sweetness. You can add vanilla like I did, maybe even a little bit of cinnamon or whatever seasonings you like. You can even make these ahead of time and freeze them for later on another busy morning. All right, I can't wait another moment. I am going in. I, of course, though, am going to drizzle it with some maple syrup, because I just can't have a pancake without it, but not a lot, just a little bit. Okay. Ooh, the texture's nice. I'm going for a double bite. Oh yeah. These are light and fluffy. You don't even miss the flour or sugar or anything else in them. They're absolutely perfect. Oh, be perfect with some fruit. Crispy edges from the butter. I love it. These cottage cheese oat pancakes are definitely a keeper. They're easy, nutritious, and seriously delicious. Now make sure you share this video with someone who loves good food, and don't forget to grab that printable recipe in the video description. Thanks for cooking with me today. If you love easy, high-protein breakfasts, make sure you check out my orange Greek yogurt muffins next. They're bright, fluffy, and easy to make. Check them out here, and I will see you over there.